Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn about how to convert recurring decimals into fractions or into mixed numbers. So the first step, as you see over here in this example, they're asking you to show that 4.57 and there is a dot notation above the 5 and above the 7, which means the 57 is the recurring section here. It's 4.57, 57, 57, and so on. They want you to show that this is the same as this when written as a fraction. So the first thing that you're supposed to do is just to write x equals 4.57 with dot notation above the 5 and above the 7. The second thing, ask yourself, I need to isolate, I need to eliminate the non-recurring section. So the first step is to what? Isolate the non-recurring section. What do you mean, Mr. by isolating? It means send it to the left side of the decimal point. Okay, that's good. Okay, so here, as you see, the non-recurring is the 4. The 4 here is the only thing that is not repeating, and it is already isolated. So I'm going to call this step 1. The 4, which is the non-recurring part in this decimal, is already isolated for me. So this is step 1 or equation 1. Then next, isolate the first section of the recurring. So isolate the recurring. Recurring here we got 5 and the 7. They are recurring. I need to get them on the left side of the point. Okay, they are 2 digits. 2 digits are repeating. That means I need to multiply by 100 in order to get them on the left side of the point. So multiplying the whole thing by 100, 100x equals. Multiplying this also by 100 is going to be 4, 5, 7 point. I still have other 5s and 7s. 5, 7, and they're still repeating. They are endless. Good. Now, since I got the recurring section isolated as well, call it step 2. What I have to do right now is to do step 2 minus step 1. Step 2 minus step 1. How? What is 100x minus x? It is 99x equals what is this number minus that number. The first thing that is going to happen is that those recurring decimals will be canceled. When I do this minus this recurring decimal will be canceled. That's the first thing. Now I have 457 minus 4, which is going to give us 453. 4, 5, 3. Solve for x. So this comes from 2 minus 1. All right. Now let's solve for x. What is x equal to here? Yes, I need to get rid of the 99. How are you going to get rid of the 99? Send it their division, Mister. Good. So 453 over 99. Use the calculator. Here we go with the calculator. And let's do it. What is 453? 453, but I need to write as a fraction. So 453 over 99. It is equal to 151 over 33. 151 over 33. Oh, yes, Mr. But it's written as a mixed number. Using the calculator, Shift SD. It is 4 and 19 over 33. This now shows that this decimal, recurring decimal, is the same as 4 and 19 over 33. The next and the last example that we have over here is show that 0.345, well, 4 or 5 here, they are the recurring sections, that it is the same as 19 over 55. Let's do this. The same steps exactly. X equals 0.345 with dot notations above the 4 and the 5. First step, isolate the non-recurring section. Is that non-recurring isolated? Is it on the left side of the decimal? No, it is not. So I need to do this. Multiply by 10. Thank you. So it will be 10x equals 3.45 and dot notations above the 4 and the 5. And we're going to call it 1. Then I got what? I got here the step of isolating the recurring. I have two digits recurring. So now I need to multiply by 100. So it's going to be multiplied by 100 is going to be 1000x equals 345.45 recurring with dot notations. And I'm going to call this 2. Now it's 2 minus 1. What is 1000x minus 10x? 990x equals, now when I subtract the decimals, what is it going to show us? By to the recurring decimals. Now I have 345 minus 3, which is 342. 342. X equals 342 over 990. Oh, mister, that's not the same. Yes, I need to simplify. How can I simplify? Use the calculator. Let's do this. 342 over 990 equals 19 over 55, as you see, as they requested. That's it. Thank you so much and see you in another video.